Plejer tal-Premier Ingliż li jilgħab mat-tim tal-futbol Watford xtara ritratt tan-natura mingħand fotografu Żvediż li ilu jgħix Malta għal dawn l-aħħar 17-il sena. Johan Sigurdsson isiefer madwar id-dinja sabiex jiġbed ritratti ta' annimali salvaġġi. Sentejn ilu huwa mar il-Ġappun u ġibet ritratt ta' speċi tax-xadin indiġeni fil-Ġappun. Dan ir-ritratt huwa rebaħ ukoll il-premju tal-aqwa travel photographer tas-sena 2017 fir-Renju Unit.
I spent 2 days there photographing the snow monkeys, and on the third day I was a bit bored, so because you photograph the same things over and over again. And then I realized instead of taking the whole animal hanging in this hot water pool, I focused only on one of its hands, and that photograph won a lot of awards. I won one of the categories in Travel Photographer of the Year, for example.
Iżda dan ir-ritratt ġibet lajn ta' plejer żagħżugħ tal-Premier Ingliż li minkejja ma jistax jgħidilna ismu huwa xtara dan ir-ritratt dettaljat għal prezz ta' ftit aktar minn €1,000.
Lately I sold this image also to a Premier League player, which is obviously a nice thing for me to do. I don't want to reveal the name of the player, but it's an upcoming player. It's a young player from Watford football club, and yeah, it's a nice thing for me. Yeah.
Sigurdsson jistqar kif l-imħabba lejn il-fotografija bdiet passatemp fl-2008. Ma' żmien bida jsiefer madwar id-dinja fosthom mar fil-kontinent Afrikan. Jgħidilna li minn passatemp il-fotografija sar ix-xogħol tiegħu li minnu jaqla x'jiekol. F'11 sena qal li ġibet aktar minn 160,000 ritratt.
Of various things, birds, because when we shoot, we have the cameras nowadays. They take the one I have. I think it takes 12 photos per second. So when you shoot, for example, flying birds or something like that, in 10 seconds you can shoot 100 shots. Then you have to sort them out and delete the ones which are not good and so on. But then you save quite a few from every trip.
Sigurdsson qiegħed juża l-esperjenza tiegħu sabiex isservi ta' gwida għal fotografi li qegħdin imorru jieħdu ritratti madwar id-dinja f'postijiet fejn in-natura turi l-aqwa tagħha. Fil-fatt huwa qiegħed jaħdem ma' kumpanija Amerikana u Żvediża dwar dan.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.